In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a WooCommerce order seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned store administrator or just starting out, knowing how to manage orders effectively in WooCommerce is crucial. Now, let's dive right into the simple steps that will guide you through the cancellation process. First, you're going to need to log into your WordPress dashboard, which acts as your command center for all things related to your website and its operations. Once inside, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see the WooCommerce menu. Hover over it, and you'll notice a list of options appear. From there, click on Orders. This is the hub where you manage every order that comes through your store, so it's important to become familiar with it if you haven't done so already. After clicking on Orders, you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of all current transactions. Now, your mission is to locate the specific order that you wish to cancel. You can do this by either scrolling through the list or using the search bar to speed up the process if you have particular order details like the order number or customer name. Once you've identified the order, simply click on it to open the Order Details screen. On this screen, you'll find a wealth of information regarding the order, from customer details to product descriptions and pricing. But for our purpose today, our focus is specifically on the Order Status section. Take a look at the drop-down menu located here. This is where you can adjust the status of the order. Now, click on this drop-down menu and select Cancelled. By doing this, you're essentially telling WooCommerce that this order is no longer active and needs to be treated as such. With the order status now set to Cancelled, you're ready for the next essential step, clicking Update. You can find this button within the Order Details screen, and it's crucial to ensure that all your changes take effect. By clicking Update, you're making the cancellation official within the system. Once you've clicked Update, WooCommerce will take care of the rest in terms of documentation and communication. The system is designed to automatically log the cancellation, which helps keep your records accurate and up to date. Plus, it will trigger any necessary automated emails to notify parties involved, such as your site administrators. This way, everyone who needs to be in the loop is informed without any additional steps on your part. Following these steps ensures that your order management operations are smooth and efficient. Remember that properly canceling orders not only affects inventory and sales reports, but also enhances customer experience by ensuring prompt updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope this process is now crystal clear for you.